A. Now I show to you all wide and narrow. We have two
arrange or stack
knobless cylinders. Okay, this one is wide and this one is narrow.
Okay, but
This one is narrow and this one is wide. Okay. Now I show to you all wide and narrow. We have two knobless cylinders. Okay, this one is wide and this one is narrow. This one is narrow and this one is...
Okay, hi. Now, I will explain about the reasons. Okay, the first one is it can enhance vocabulary for our kids to learn about the vocabulary wide and narrow. And the second one is able to learn different wide and narrow for our kids to understand about the different this wide and narrow activities or some like that. And the third one is increased cognitive ability that our kids can thinking about the wide like this and narrow like this in their mind. Okay, let's start with this activity. Okay, bye.